welcome to our vlog today. Today we have 6 years anniversary.
6 years.
We have
Happy.
10 January 2026 and we have wedding January 10, 2020. And that's a pandemic. Thank you guys and please watch and subscribe. Let's go.
Bye. Oh, happy anniversary.
Thank you so much.
6 years together.
Yay! Hopefully there is more years. Happy 6 years
Wow.
Wow.
Very nice.
Oh.
Thank you, Mama.
Yay.
Anniversary.
6 years anniversary.
Cheers. Happy anniversary, Bante.
Happy 6 years. Yung babies.
My present. Thank you.
Yummy too. Okay. Very, very,
Meeting you?
no, first.
You feel.
Mm. Yeah.
Kanya. Next.
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
Mm.
So delicious, guys.
Yeah. Really so yummy.
We have strawberry cake.
Small but very
Strawberry
yummy.
cake, yum.
Yum, yum.
Happy 6 years, honey.
Happy anniversary, my love.
What is your um
Mm-hmm.
message for our 6 years? What is our positive and negative relationship?
All positive because you are
No,
big, because you are on side of me. No.
no, not just say the truth. Like the truth, honey, truth.
Yeah. It's like up, down, up, down,
Yeah,
up,
so
down.
so what is your
But
feeling?
this is life. And it's a normal. no everyday being.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we are still together and we stay more forever. Yeah.
Okay.
And what is your feeling, Maniko? Explain it.
My feeling is the same. Sometimes have a problem, sometimes no, and hopefully God give me more um, strong to be stay with you and happy and no stress
You
and
think you will not destroy this thing?
yeah, because everybody must be, because we have every day, not every day, most or sometimes we have problems, especially if our living here. Yeah.
Yeah, oh,
Hopefully my honey stay strong too and more patience. Yeah.
yeah. I try, Maniko. I always try it.
Yeah. And hopefully we have success and we're gonna have more money. Because money is our problem, everybody.
But money is
Everybody.
not all.
Yeah, money, and we need money for our expenses.
Yeah.
And especially here is so expensive, the cost living here, and I have 2 days work only, and it's the problem.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay.
Thank you guys. This is our celebrating. It's only a simple celebration. We are only me and my honey ko. Because this is our 6 years wedding anniversary. And
Yeah.
thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our videos. And please don't forget to like,
Thank you for watching.
subscribe our channel, Daniko and Daniko.
Bananas.
Bananas! Yay!
Yahoo!